If you serve this country, you may qualify for free mental health counseling today. No disability rating needed, no insurance required. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to access VA mental health benefits right now. Don't leave this life-changing help on the table. Welcome back to the channel. This is your complete step-by-step guide to getting free counseling for veterans through the VA. Whether you're dealing with PTSD, depression, anxiety, or just need someone to talk to, I've got you covered. We'll cover everything. VA Mental Health Support 2025. Vet centers, telehealth options, same-day services, and resources you probably didn't know existed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get veteran therapy VA benefits today. If this helps you or someone you know, smash that like button. It helps other veterans find this information. And subscribe for weekly guides on VA benefits, claims, and veteran resources. Let's talk reality. If you've served, you know the invisible wounds run deep. Combat stress, military sexual trauma, survivor's guilt, nightmares, panic attacks, depression, anger that comes out of nowhere. Maybe you're self-medicating with alcohol. Maybe you can't sleep. Maybe your relationships are suffering. And here's the kicker. Getting help feels impossible. You think, I don't know where to start, or what if it goes on my record, or I'm not even enrolled in VA healthcare. Maybe you tried before and got stuck in red tape. Maybe you're worried about long wait times. Maybe you live in a rural area with no VA nearby. Some of you left service with an other than honorable discharge and think you're out of luck. Others think you need a disability rating first. Many veterans suffer in silence because they don't know what's available. But here's what changed. The VA has dramatically expanded mental health access. There are now multiple pathways to get help. Many are completely free. Some you can access today, right now, without being enrolled in VA healthcare. If you're having thoughts of hurting yourself or others, pause this video right now. Call 988, press 1 for the Veterans Crisis Line, or text 838255. Help is available 24/7. Your step-by-step roadmap. Step 1. Crisis situations. Get help now. First things first. If you're in crisis, everything else can wait. Here are your immediate options. 1. Call 988. Press 1 for Veterans Crisis Line. 2. Text 838255. Chat at Veterans Crisis Line. Net 4. Call 1-877-WAR Vets for Vet Center support. If you're in suicidal crisis, you can go to any emergency room. Under recent changes, VA covers emergency mental health care, even at non-VA hospitals. This includes up to 30 days inpatient and 90 days outpatient follow-up. Free for eligible veterans. You don't need to be enrolled in VA healthcare for this coverage. Tell the ER staff you're a veteran. Your safety comes first, always. Step 2. Determine your needs. Ask yourself, what do I need right now? 1. Individual therapy for PTSD, depression or anxiety. 2. Group therapy with other veterans. 3. Couples or family counseling. 4. Substance abuse treatment. 5. Telehealth from home. 6. Confidential counseling that stays off your VA medical record. That last point is crucial. If you want confidential help that doesn't go in your official VA file, vet centers are your answer. They're community-based, completely confidential, and don't require VA enrollment. Step 3. Already enrolled in VA healthcare. If you're already enrolled in VA healthcare, you have the fastest path to mental health care. Here's what to do. 1. Call your VA medical center's main number. 2. Ask for mental health or same-day mental health services. 3. Say, I'm an enrolled veteran needing mental health support. Do you have same-day availability? Most VA facilities now offer same-day mental health appointments for enrolled veterans. No referral needed. If same-day isn't available, they'll schedule you within 30 days maximum. You can also use My Health Vet to message your care team or request mental health services online. It's like texting your doctor, completely secure. Step 4. Not enrolled? Enroll now. It's free. Don't let enrollment scare you. It's easier than ever, and mental health care is free for most veterans. Here's how. Online, go to va.gov, click Apply for Healthcare, complete VA Form 1010, easy. Takes 15-20 minutes. Phone, call 1-877-222-8387. They'll help you apply over the phone. Visit any VA medical center with your DD214. Priority groups 116 get free healthcare, including mental health. Most combat veterans qualify. Even if you're in a higher priority group, mental health copays are minimal or waived entirely. Step 5. Vet centers, the hidden gem. This is the best-kept secret in veteran mental health. Vet centers provide free counseling with zero paperwork hassles. Here's what makes them special. 1. No enrollment in VA healthcare required. 2. Completely confidential, doesn't go in VA medical records. 3. No copays ever. 4. Individual, group, couples, and family counseling. 5. Run by fellow veterans who understand military culture. Who qualifies? 1. Served in a combat zone. 2. Experienced military sexual trauma. 3. Served during certain conflicts or operations. 4. Family members of qualifying veterans. Find your local vet center at vetcenter.va.gov or call 1-877-UB or DR Vets. This is PTSD VA help without the bureaucracy. Step 6. Telehealth and virtual options. Can't get to a VA facility? No problem. VA offers multiple virtual mental health options. VA Video Connect, secure video appointments from home, works on phone, tablet, or computer. No special software needed. VA mobile apps. 1. PTSD Coach, tools for managing PTSD symptoms. 2. Mindfulness Coach, meditation and stress reduction. 3. CBTI Coach, sleep improvement for insomnia. 4. PE Coach, prolonged exposure therapy support. My Health Vet, secure messaging with your mental health team, prescription refills, appointment scheduling. These aren't replacements for therapy, but they're powerful tools to use alongside professional treatment. Step 7. Community care options. Under the Mission Act, VA can pay for mental health care with civilian providers if 1. You live more than 30 minutes from a VA facility. 2. VA can't provide care within 30 days. 3. Your VA provider recommends community care. This means you could see a local therapist, and VA covers the cost. Ask your VA mental health team about community care options. Don't assume you have to drive hours to a VA facility. Step 8. Special situations. Military sexual trauma, MST. VA provides free MST-related mental health care to AL veterans, regardless of disability rating or enrollment status. This includes men and women. Call 1-877-222-8387 and ask about MST services. Women veterans. Many VA facilities have women-only therapy groups and specialized programs. Call 1-855-VA-WOMEN for women veteran-specific mental health resources. Other than honorable discharge, you may still qualify for mental health care. Call 1-877-222-8387 for a case-by-case review. Recent policy changes have expanded eligibility. Pro tips. Most veterans miss. Secret number 1. Same-day mental health is available at most VA facilities. Call early morning for best availability. Secret number 2. Vet centers will see you the same week, often within 48 hours. No appointment needed for crisis situations. Secret number 3. VA has specialized PTSD programs using proven therapies like prolonged exposure and cognitive processing therapy. These work better than general counseling for trauma. Secret number 4. Family counseling is free for immediate family members at vet centers, even if the veteran doesn't participate. Secret number 5. Coaching into Care provides free consultation for family members worried about a veteran. Call 1-888-823-7458. Secret number 6. VA's Make the Connection website has powerful veteran stories and a treatment locator. It's like Netflix for veteran mental health resources. Don't make these costly mistakes. Mistake number 1. Waiting for a disability rating. You can get mental health care now, before any rating decision. Mistake number 2. Thinking you need a referral. For most VA mental health services you can self-refer. Mistake number 3. Only trying your local VA. If they're backed up, ask about telehealth or community care options. Mistake number 4. Not using vet centers. They're faster, more flexible, and completely confidential. Mistake number 5. Giving up after one bad experience. Different counselors, different programs, different outcomes. Keep trying. Drop a comment if you've used any of these services. Your experience could help another veteran. What worked? What didn't? Let's help each other out. Save these numbers now. Veterans Crisis Line, 988, press 1, or text 838255. Vet Center Call Center, 1-877-WAR-VETS, 1-877-927-8387. VA Healthcare Enrollment, 1-877-222-VETS, 1-877-222-8387. Women Veterans Call Center, 1-855-VA Women, 1-855-829-6636. Coaching into Care, 1-888-823-7458. Caregiver Support, 1-855-26-03274. Here's your homework. Pick one action to take today. 1. If you're enrolled in VA healthcare, call your VA medical center and ask about same-day mental health services too. If you're not enrolled, start your application at va.gov right now. 3. Find your local vet center at vetcenter.va. Gov. 5. Download the PTSD Coach app. 6. Save the Veterans Crisis Line number in your phone. 988. Press 1. Don't wait for Monday, don't wait for next week. Your mental health matters today. You served your country with honor. Now it's time to take care of yourself with the same dedication. VA Mental Health Support 2025 is more accessible than ever. Whether it's free counseling for veterans through VA Healthcare, confidential therapy at vet centers, or telehealth from your living room, help is available. Remember, you don't need to be broken to get help. You don't need to hit rock bottom. Asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. If this video helped you, please like it so other veterans can find this information. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for weekly guides on VA benefits, disability claims, and veteran resources. Share this with any veteran who might need it. Next week, I'm covering VA disability claims, how to get 100% rating. You won't want to miss it. Until then, take care of yourself. You've earned it. Semper Fi, Hua, 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 and Semper Paratus to all my brothers and sisters watching. Subscribe now for weekly veteran benefit guides. Comment your questions below. Share this with a veteran who needs it. Take care of each other.